Then, and we are recording. So, Adam, thank you so much for joining me for this performance. Before we go any further, you're going to help me to create a two-part prediction. Okay, so for your part, I want you to very simply just call out stop for me
Stop.
right here. Split the cards right there. And for my part, I've got a little pen and paper here. So I'm going to write down a little note that I'll be sharing with you shortly. Okay, so pop that down there. And so now this is where the trick actually begins with you imagining that you're holding a deck of cards and you split it into two packets. You've got all the numbers in one hand and all the picture cards in the other hand. Okay, so just imagine handing me one of those packets. Which do you go for?
The pictures.
The pictures. Okay, so I take those pictures, I fan them out, and you can see them all displayed in front of you here. I want you to just cast your eye up and down and then settle on one. Commit it to memory. Don't tell me, just keep it in your mind. Have you got one?
Yeah, got it.
Perfect. Okay, so you've got a picture card in mind. And this is round where we're going to circle back to the prediction because I'm hoping that without quite knowing how, you will have ended up stopping on the card that you're merely thinking of, right? You haven't actually named it out loud yet. It's just in your head. So if this position here where you called out stop happens to be the card you're thinking of, that'd be a great trick, right? So Adam, yes or no? Did we get it?
No,
No. Okay. Anticlimactic. Let's just leave that there. How about the next card? This one?
no,
No. Third time lucky.
no,
One final stab.
no.
No. Okay. All right. Not very good. But Adam, it appears as if though it's failed, right? Until we remind ourselves that this is actually a two-part prediction. This is just the first part. The second part is right here. And for the first time, what was the card you were thinking of?
It's the King of Hearts.
The King of Hearts. If this said King of Hearts, that would be incredible, right? Adam, take a look. It's not, right? It's some mathematical symbols, but it's a two-part prediction, right? These collectively have to work together, and they will do so to form an equation. So you see, look, the first sign here is a multiply. So we're just going to pop that in between the ace and the eight. Next up, we've got a subtract. So we'll pop that in between here. And finally, an add we'll place there, giving us an equation that we'll now carry out. So ace 1 times 8, can you see the times here? Gives us, well, still 8. 1 times 8 is 8. Next up is subtract. So 8 subtract 5, 3. And finally, we've got a little add here. So what are we on? 3 plus 2 finally gives us 5, right? The number 5. Now, think about it. You could have thought of absolutely any card. But before you did, we committed to our two-part prediction. If this number 5 somehow leads to the card that you're merely thinking of, remind me again?
King of Hearts.
Yeah, and that would be an incredible trick, right?
Yeah.
Find out, Adam. Let's count to the fifth card down. One, two, three, four, five. And the card we're looking for?
King of Hearts.
The King of Hearts, Adam. Thank you very much. Thank you for taking part.
Brilliant.
And that is equation. Thank you.